Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some pulled pork and we're going to make our own rub. So for our rub, we're going to start by adding half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, half a tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of New Mexico chili powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper. So now what we're going to do, we're going to mix this together. This is going to be our rub. And here I have 6 pounds of pork butt, and we're going to be cooking in our crock pot. So I'm going to take this rub and rub this really quick. So what you want to do, you want to take your rub, and you want to rub your pork butt. Oh, it smells good. So I like to leave my fat on my pork butt because it gives it a lot of flavor. So I'm gonna just rub it. Make sure you get all the coatings in there. To this rub, we're gonna be adding half a cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of barbecue sauce, any barbecue sauce that you like, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2. Okay. Do you want to go ahead and whisk this all together? And 1 cup of water. Okay, make sure to mix this all together. So in our crock pot, what you want to go ahead and do is you're going to take your sauce. You're going to pour just a little bit at the bottom. Okay. You're going to take your pork butt, you're going to put it in there, and then you're going to take your remaining. You're going to pour your sauce all over your pork butt. We're going to cover this. So we're going to cook this on high for just 1 hour, and then we're going to come back and turn it to low for about 6 to 8 hours, depending on how much meat you cooked. So it's been an hour. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put it to low, cook it for about 6 to 8 hours more. So here I have my pulled pork. I'm gonna take it out in a few minutes so I can start shredding it. We have my favorite bread. This is from Aldi's. I love these buns. Some coleslaw, and this is some sauce. So what I did, I took half a cup of the broth from there and half a cup of barbecue sauce so I can pour on top of the sandwich. But look how good that looks. And just let it cook for just a few minutes. Let it cook for a few minutes. But yeah, got everything ready. I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble my pulled pork. This is the pulled pork. What I did, I cooked it on high for 1 hour and then I moved it to low to cook for about 6 hours. So this has been cooking for 7 hours. So what you want to do is you want to remove the bone. There you go. And I'm going to take it out and start shredding it. So here I already pulled apart my pork with 2 forks. just to remove any of the fatty parts in there. Just shred it with 2 forks. And then of course, don't forget to add some of this broth. Okay, so we're gonna do, we're gonna add just a little bit of mayo at the bottom. Perfect, okay? Then you take a little bit of the sauce. Just mix it like that. Go. You take a little bit of your pulled pork. Okay. Take a little bit of your barbecue sauce. Ooh, yeah. A little bit of coleslaw. And you put your bun. And there we go. You have pulled pork sandwich. Look at that. How good that looks.